Welcome to HomeTech. In the next few minutes, this presentation will show you how HomeTech can save you money on services for your home, auto, and family, and how you can make money helping other people save money. Here's your opportunity to turn the American dream of home ownership into profits. Today, there are hundreds of different money-making opportunities to choose from. How do you decide which opportunity to join? It is said that success leaves clues, so here's a clue. Does the product fill a real need? Is the product something people would buy, regardless of economic times, and even if there was no opportunity to make money? In other words, is the product valuable enough to stand all on its own? Home services is a billion-dollar industry. We have a product needed by millions of homeowners nationwide. HomeTech helps you protect your most valuable investment, your home. Over your lifetime, you spend a lot of money on your home. So doesn't it make good sense to protect your most valuable investment? That's what HomeTech is all about. HomeTech saves you money on your home, your car, and your family. You can also make money helping other people save money with HomeTech. Here is a brief review of the company, the cause, the product, and the opportunity. Let's talk about the company. HomeTech is a home services marketing company that was founded in 2007. HomeTech markets a comprehensive benefits program designed especially for homeowners and renters. HomeTech is an affiliate of National Health Corporation, an established company with decades of successful operations, leadership, and financial strength. Paul Wood is the founder and chief executive officer of National Health Corporation and HomeTech. Belinda Kaler is president of HomeTech and has over 20 years of successful leadership with National Health Corporation. HomeTech is a member of the Direct Selling Association, which sets the highest standards for companies in the direct selling industry. HomeTech products are administered by a nonprofit membership association called United Service Association for Healthcare, or USA Plus, founded in Washington, D.C. in 1983. USA Plus has benefited the lives of thousands of individuals and families nationwide for over 20 years. Let's talk about the charitable cause behind HomeTech. $1 from every membership is donated monthly to the USA Plus Foundation. Dodie Wood is the founder of the USA Plus Foundation, which was founded in 1988 to help fund charities, community programs, and national research programs. Millions of dollars have already been awarded, and the foundation's goal, which is known as Dodie's Dream, is to donate $1 million a month to charities. You help make that goal possible when you sell HomeTech memberships. The USA Plus Foundation has helped over 200 charities nationwide. These are just a few pictures from the many events that have been sponsored by the USA Plus Foundation all around the country. Now let's talk about the HomeTech product. Our premier product is called the HomeTech Protector. As a HomeTech Protector member, you get the following benefits. A home warranty benefit with up to $50,000 a year to repair or replace appliances or systems in your home with a service fee of only $75. A $75 service fee covers the items listed below: your furnace, air conditioning, oven, stove, cooktop, refrigerator, dishwasher, clothes washer or dryer, garage door opener, heating system, heat pumps, ductwork, exhaust fans, built-in trash compactors, built-in microwave, water heater, electrical system, plumbing system, garbage disposal, and ceiling fans. This chart represents the average replacement cost for some appliances or systems in your home. For example, your air conditioning unit alone could cost you as much as $6,500 to replace it, but your cost as a HomeTech Protector member is only $75. And if you choose the HomeTech Protector Plus plan, it covers your pool and spa pump. And if you have the HomeTech Protector or HomeTech Protector Plus membership, you can also save up to a 30% discount on appliances for your home. If you have homeowners or renters insurance and your home suffers a loss or encounters a disaster of some kind, you receive up to $1,000 home deductible reimbursement, up to $1,000 emergency cash, up to $1,000 a month for mortgage reimbursement up to a period of 6 months, and up to $1,000 emergency lodging. And if you're in a car accident, you receive up to $500 auto deductible reimbursement. As a HomeTech member, when you buy products for your home, such as computers, laptops, or cell phones, you receive an extended service protection benefit that will double the original manufacturer's warranty time period up to 12 months. As a HomeTech member, you receive an identity theft protection benefit up to $25,000 in expense reimbursement coverage and up to $1 million coverage for unauthorized electronic fund transfers from your bank account. And for projects not covered by your home warranty, you have a tradesman referral program that gives you access to over 50,000 pre-screened contractors nationwide to assist you with over 500 projects either inside or outside of your home. And if you're not completely satisfied with the work that they do, you have a $1,000 service guarantee. HomeTech gives you 3 affordable membership plans to choose from: HomeTech Protector, HomeTech Protector Plus, and HomeTech Solutions. Your HomeTech Protector membership is only $79.95 a month plus a one-time $20 setup fee. The HomeTech Protector membership includes the home warranty benefit plus all of the other benefits for your home, auto, and family. The HomeTech Protector Plus membership includes all of the HomeTech Protector benefits plus coverage for your pool and spa pump. Your HomeTech Solutions membership is only $39.95 a month plus a one-time $20 setup fee. The HomeTech Solutions membership is our basic plan for homeowners and renters without the home warranty and discount appliance service. No matter which HomeTech membership you choose, your HomeTech membership comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee if you are not completely satisfied with the program. Now let's talk about your money-making opportunity with HomeTech. There are over 100 million homeowners in the United States, and many of them would buy a HomeTech product if they only knew about it. Instead of spending millions of dollars in advertising to reach homeowners, we made a better decision. We decided that the best way to advertise the HomeTech products would be to compensate our members for referring other members to us. With HomeTech, you can save money and you can make money helping other people save money while giving back to help other people in need. So how do you get started making money with HomeTech? It costs only $19.95 a month for a website to market the HomeTech products. But if you're a member, the website is included and you can market the products at no additional cost. HomeTech pays you upfront and residual commissions on membership sales. Your upfront commissions, or one-time pay, consist of fast pay, team pay, and 50% matching pay. Your residual commissions, or monthly pay, consist of level pay, 100% matching pay, and generational pay. You get paid a total of 6 ways in all. Number 1, fast pay. There are no qualifications for fast pay commissions. In order to qualify for other compensation, you must have your own active membership or have at least 3 active personal members. For each sale of a HomeTech Protector membership, you will earn a $30 fast pay commission. So on your first sale to Jim, you will earn $30. On your second sale to Mary, you will earn another $30. Number 2, team pay. Beginning with your third sale, you are now eligible for a $30 team pay. So, on your third sale to Mike, you will earn $60, which is made up of a $30 fast pay plus a $30 team pay. When you sell your fourth membership to Joe, you will earn another $60. Now that's $60 on your third, fourth, fifth, sixth sale, and so on. Not only do you earn team pay on your personal sales, but also on your team line, which begins with your third personally sponsored member. Beginning with Mike, you will earn $30 on each of Mike's first 2 sales and on Joe's first 2 sales. And this will continue on the first 2 sales and on the first 2 sales and so on through unlimited levels. The last component of the upfront money is your 50% matching pay. You will earn a 50% match on each of your personally sponsored members' team pay. If Jim earns $300 in team pay, you will earn $150 in matching pay. If Mary earns $900 in team pay, you will earn $450 in matching pay. If Mike earns $400 in team pay, you will earn $200 in matching pay. And if Joe earns $1,200 in team pay, you will earn $600 in matching pay.
Imagine how excited you will be to make money on your personal sales as well as receiving 50% matching pay from people on your team. And there are no limits on how many people you can earn 50% matching pay on.
Now that was just the upfront money, but there's more. We haven't talked about your residual money, which consists of level pay, 100% matching pay, and generational pay. Your residual commissions begin the second month when a member renews his or her membership. This means you get paid month after month on membership renewals in your organization for as long as people keep their membership. Number 4, level pay. You will earn $1 per level on monthly membership renewals through 5 levels. HomeTech's auto placement feature encourages teamwork by setting the maximum width of each person's first level to 4 people. This generates spillover and allows you to earn off the efforts of your upline and your downline. When you enroll Sue, your 5th personally sponsored member, and when you enroll Ted, your 6th personally sponsored member, the auto placement feature will place Sue and Ted in the next available position, which is directly under Jim. This auto placement feature will help you build your 5-level organization faster because you will benefit from the efforts of your upline and downline. Number 5, 100% matching pay. When you have 5 or more personally sponsored active members, you will match 100% of all their level and generational pay. This is in addition to your level pay. So if your personal members earn $700, $500, $150, $500, $400, and $300 in level and generational pay in 1 month, you will get a 100% match on each, which is a total of $2,550 in this example. The last component of the residual money is generational pay. There are 2 ways to qualify. Either have 25 active personal members or have 10 personal members, 5 of which have 5 personal members of their own. You will earn $1 per level starting on level 6 through potentially unlimited levels or 3 generations. Here is an overview of the HomeTech compensation plan. A preferred gold member is a member who refers other members to the HomeTech products. Preferred gold members are eligible for fast pay, team pay, 50% matching pay, and level pay. A preferred platinum member is a member who has 5 personally sponsored active members. Preferred platinum members are eligible for fast pay, team pay, 50% matching pay, level pay, and 100% matching pay. A preferred diamond member is a member who has 25 active personal members or 10 personal members, 5 of which have 5 personal members of their own. Preferred diamond members are eligible for fast pay, team pay, 50% matching pay, level pay, 100% matching pay, and generational pay. HomeTech makes it easy for you to share the products and opportunity with other people. Let the HomeTech tools do the talking and watch your business grow. Simply direct people to our live weekly webinar, animated web movie, and online presentations. So please, get back with your HomeTech representative now and tell them that you're ready to start saving money and making money with HomeTech.